So I bought myself a new shower head, and both of the connectors are female, so I'm not able to install it. So I bought this adapter that would let me connect female to female. So let's go ahead and do that and see if it works. And it comes in a pack of 2, so I have plenty. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this tape and we're gonna wrap around here at least 3 times. Wrap around here at least 3 full circles. And now we're gonna go ahead and screw on our shower head. And as you can see, my water is running already and it doesn't leak anywhere, so it did its job and I'm really happy with it.